going to, and we've just been working out at home, but have this barbell and haven't really been able to do much with it because I don't have a squat rack or anything. Everything's sold out everywhere, so I thought I would try to build something and just put it out here in the backyard. So I'm gonna use some pressure treated wood and see what I can come up with. All right, let's go. Man, if only I had somewhere to put this thing down. Okay, so here I just laid out the barbell I have, and I laid out the 4x4s just to figure out the spacing between them that I needed. And I'm using a 2x6, and I'm just making like a little frame. Okay, I was gonna do this a different way, but I decided to reassess because I don't wanna have to buy any brackets for the 4x4s. I wanna just attach them straight to the pieces of wood that I have. So my plan is, made this little frame here. I'm gonna put the 4x4s in the corner, put another support across the front of the 4x4s. And then maybe put some diagonal supports that way. So that's the plan for now. Let's go. Okay, so I'm just assembling the frame here. I'm using 4-inch lag bolts for pretty much everything on this project. And then here I am clamping everything down, making sure everything is level, clamping it down, and using the same 4-inch lag bolts. Since I had these really tall 4x4s, I decided I also wanted to add a pull-up bar to the top. So I decided to add additional supports on the back so it wouldn't wobble as much. And then here I'm just measuring the angles, cutting them with the circular saw, and making a couple diagonal supports. And now it's time for the hooks for the barbell. So I'm just kind of looking at the level it needs to be. I cut 2 small pieces of 2x4, and I just took my speed square and I just made an angle that looks right and attached them to the 4x4s. Okay, so I just ran to Lowe's real fast and I got this piece of piping. And I'm gonna put it at the top of the squat rack here for a pull-up bar. So I'm just gonna drill some holes in either side and just slide this in. And that is all she wrote. It is complete, and it's really nice to be able to squat again. Looking forward to working on my pull-ups too. So if you guys have any questions, let me know below, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.